Hello, and welcome to St. Edward's University. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at a typical St. Edward's financial aid offer letter. It is our hope that this offer letter will help you decide to enroll at St. Edward's for the upcoming academic year. Before reviewing the financial aid offer, it is important to know that this is not a bill. It is the financial aid you have been offered, pending completion of all outstanding financial aid requirements for the academic year. You can resolve these outstanding requirements in your My Hilltop portal. The actual bill with your specific charges is generally available after July 4th if you enroll on time for the fall semester. The first section of the offer letter is estimated costs, which consists of billable costs and other possible expenses. This is also known as cost of attendance. Billable costs are those items you expect to see on your student bill, tuition and fees, of course, and room and board if you will be living on campus. The loan fee in this section is only for those students who would be using their student loans. Other possible expenses may not appear on your bill, but are taken into account when calculating your financial aid offer. They are expenses you might incur as a student, like books, supplies, personal necessities, and transportation costs. The second section of the offer letter is estimated grants and scholarships. These have been offered to help reduce your total cost. Grants and scholarships are known as gift aid because they do not require repayment. Please note, this amount is an annual offer, so to get a per semester amount, you would divide by 2. When subtracting grants and scholarships from total cost, you arrive at net price for the first academic year. Net price is what you might still need to pay after gift aid. It is also important to note that this includes those other possible expenses which won't necessarily be on your student bill, so this is an overestimation of your net cost. Your true St. Edward's bill could actually be less than this. The third section is regarding student loans, which are optional and can be used to finance a portion of your out-of-pocket costs. Additional loans, such as the Federal Plus loan for parents and private or alternative loans, are not listed but may be possible through other applications. Please discuss your questions about loans with your financial aid counselor. And again, remember that if you divide this estimated total out-of-pocket cost by 2, you will get the per semester cost. St. Edward's billing is per semester, and each semester has its own opportunity for a 4-month payment plan. The final section of the offer letter is other available resources. This could consist of work-study funds, private scholarships granted from outside the university, and other education-related benefits that you are providing, such as 529 funds or veteran education benefits. Please contact your assigned financial aid counselor directly for further assistance. Additionally, we have further information and assistance through our YouTube channel for St. Edward's. Here are 3 helpful videos, but please visit our main YouTube channel for more. Here is our Student Financial Services team. Please note your assigned financial aid counselor and keep in contact as you have questions. Finally, thank you, and we hope to see you on the Hilltop soon.